probably wondering how to take care of the Norwex Microfiber. It's really easy. You wash it in the washer and dry it in the dryer. Now most of our cloths actually have silver embedded into the fibers, so once you're done using them, you can rinse it out well in warm water, hang it to dry by the tag, and within 24 hours, the cloth self-purifies so that you don't have to wash it after every single use. But once it starts looking dirty, or you notice that it just needs to be washed, then just throw it in the washer and dry it in the dryer. There are 3 rules. The first is no bleach. The second is no fabric softeners. That includes both the liquid that you put in the washer as well as the dryer sheets that you put in the dryer. And the third rule is no linty loads, which just means don't throw it in with towels or sweaters. So when you're washing it, you can technically use any detergent, but keep in mind that most detergents that are out there in the stores are full of fillers and chemicals and things that are not only harmful for the microfiber, but also harmful for you. And detergents are designed to coat your clothing, which is what makes it smell good. But anything that is against your skin can actually be absorbed into your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So all of the stuff that you're washing your clothes in is sitting against your skin and can be absorbed into your bloodstream. So you want to be mindful of what you're washing your clothes in, as well as the microfiber. So those fillers can go into the fibers of the microfiber and cause it to clog up, and you will just have to do more care with it. It requires more deep cleans. You're just not going to get as much life out of the cloth. To give you a visual here, we do have a Norwex detergent as well. So on this side here, this is one of the name brand detergents on the market, and you can see all of this stuff that's settled here on the bottom. That's the fillers and the harmful stuff that's going to get clogged into the fibers and that's sitting against your skin all day long. This is the Norwex detergent. So obviously it's free of dyes, but it's also free of all the fillers. There's nothing sitting on the bottom floating around. It's a much safer alternative, not only for the microfiber, but also for you. So this is our powder detergent, and it is 100% biodegradable. There's no phosphates, sulfates, chlorine bleach, fillers, optical brighteners, dyes or fragrances, and it's not tested on animals. And I know that this looks like a really small bag, but it actually is very concentrated. So most people are using a scoop that looks something like this. The Norwex scoop, because there's no fillers in it, is this size. So much, much less detergent that you're using. This little bag can actually do up to 100 loads in an HE washer. And on the back are the directions for how to use it, depending on whether you have an HE or a standard washer, and your load size. So just follow the directions on the back to know how much to use. And for those of you that like a liquid detergent, we also have a new liquid laundry detergent. And again, I know it looks really small, but this pump is actually pre-measured. And so on the back, there's a little tiny arrow. You just pull the label back, and it has the instructions for whether you have an HE or standard washer and your load size, how many pumps to use. And so this can actually do 215 loads in a HE washer. So those are our options for laundry detergent and how to take care of your Norwex Microfiber. Thanks so much for watching.